Welcome to RT Manufacturers Distributed Injection Molding Workshops, your trusted partner for custom plastic parts. Our distributed layout plus unified management model combines injection molding precision with flexible workshop layouts to meet the diverse needs of our customers. On the other hand, each workshop is equipped with customized injection molding machines, covering a wide range of needs from small, complex parts to large structural components. We also have two-color, multi-material injection molding machines for specialized parts, as well as material dryers and temperature controllers to prevent defects. The key to our distributed model: intelligent collaboration. Through our integrated resources, when you order a custom part, we analyze your requirement size, material quantity, location, and assign the task to the appropriate workshop, reducing logistics costs and time. For urgent orders, we allocate production capacity across our workshops, reducing delivery times by 25% to 30%. Customization is our priority. Whether it's S100 prototypes or a batch of 10,000 parts, we can adapt quickly. We utilize flame retardant, heat-resistant or food-grade plastics, FDA RoHS, ISO compliant and conduct POST molding processes on site, thereby eliminating third-party risks. Consistent quality. We inspect raw materials, perform first article inspections and sampling, using calipers, Sandis Canoris for complex, and rigorously control product quality and data in our quality control lab. For you, this means flexibility, speed, and cost-effectiveness. RT Manufacture brings your custom part ideas to life. Contact us today for injection molding services.